What is going on, Lucid fans? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk about my price targets for the upcoming week. I'm going to talk about some factors that's going to be weighing on the price, both good and bad. Then at the end, I'll do a little bit of technical analysis. Before I get into any of that, you guys know the deal. Smash a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel significantly. For those that are new to the channel, I do daily videos on trending stocks, crypto. I do it all. So definitely subscribe. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships. Link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom screen. Greatly appreciate that. I will also be starting to do weekly live streams for members only, so even more of an incentive to sign up. Also, there's one final thing I want to bring to your attention. There's a massive promo going on right now. New broker, $0 commissions, and you can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued at $3,500. You get one just for signing up, another just for depositing any amount whatsoever, and you get 3 for depositing $2,000 or more. Link in my description below. Also, don't forget to comment on the stocks that you actually do get. Let me know. I'm very curious about that. With that said, let's get right into it. So there is going to be a lot of factors weighing on Lucid's price this week. So you can see as of right now, the fear and greed index is currently at 20, largely because of COVID. And we all know over this past weekend, crypto took a massive hit. And right now, COVID is all over the news. And how I see it right now, if you actually do read a lot of the articles, I think it's just more fear of constantly being bombarded by nothing but COVID news. But if you actually read the articles, like I just said, it's not that bad. And especially if you do look past at the previous variants that have come out, typically 1 to 2 weeks is how much fear lingers within the market. And right now we have had 1 week of full-on fear, full-on sell-offs in the market, and now it's taking over the crypto one as well. But regardless, a lot of fear, a lot of things like that. And I do anticipate, most likely, especially given the amount of articles about COVID right now, it is going to roll over into next week, most likely only Monday and Tuesday. So I do see Monday and Tuesday being red days, which would be ultimately the best days to buy Lucid. Because when it gets down to it, the reason why we have had so much support is because there's so much value when it comes to Lucid. Every time there is a dip, people know it and they buy it. This is why Lucid, out of any of the EVs, holds the best support. And I do anticipate that. As far as the overall low where Monday and Tuesday could take us, about 41 to 42 most likely. But at those stages, that would surge so much new buyers, new retail investors, hedge funds, institutions, because at those levels, that's where value would present themselves, and again, a whole new surge of buyers. With that said, so those are some of the negatives that would be affecting Lucid. Now some of the positives. So right now we all know that there's no known catalyst as far as Lucid, but the deliveries by 2021, they have to do 520. That's at least what they projected. Ultimately, if they don't meet that, then I do anticipate a little bit of a sell-off occurring with Lucid. But as of right now, they have not let us down as investors one bit, so there's no reason to doubt them. But with it being the beginning of December as of right now, I do anticipate more and more news coming out about deliveries. And you can see on Bear's Workshop on YouTube, he does a lot of drone footage, and this video does say that there's about 80 plus vehicles as of right now. And this was done on December the 1st. And we all know October 30th, there was roughly about 65, give or take, some deliveries, and they've had 2 delivery events since then. So argument's sake, up to about 250 vehicles have been delivered as of right now. That's just a conservative amount throwing out there. Again, 520 is the benchmark. If they do meet that or exceed that, because there is a large consensus that there will be around 1,000 deliveries as of right now, especially for 2021, that would cause a massive surge in Lucid's price. On the contrary, if they don't meet that, then most likely, like I already said, there will be a little bit of a sell-off occurring with Lucid. And there was a good comment in my last video. Do they actually have to disclose that? Do they have to actually let us know that they did 520 plus or whatever vehicles in 2021? Technically, no, they do not. They only have to let us know during their next earnings report. But they've technically amped up its investors so much that we are on the edge of our seat just waiting for more delivery news. Because again, that is pretty much the only remaining catalyst for 2021 is, will they actually do their 520 deliveries that they promised us? So ultimately, yes, they don't have to let us know. But from a PR standpoint, it's a lot more advantageous to let us know, especially from the stock, right? By January, first week of January, if we do not hear that they've done 520 deliveries, then do anticipate that the stock price is going to take a massive dip for no reason whatsoever, because there's going to be a lot of hurt investor confidence. And like I said, as of right now, they haven't really done anything to let us know or otherwise doubt them whatsoever. So in that regard, it's just one of those things that you need a little bit of faith in the management. With that said though, short interest. So shorts as of right now are all over the place. Some days they're up 20%, 2%, and as of Friday it was down 4.77% because they do know that Lucid is a smoking gun, especially with delivery news. All it'll take is saying that, yeah, we did 520 as of today, and we are going to be doing roughly our estimated 1,000 in 2021. Well, then shorts would be stupid to be shorting that, and they know that. This is why shorts are all over the place, up 20%, down 5%, up 8%. It is a very volatile stock if you are shorting it. And so it's just one of those things. They might be trying to scalp, but in reality, the risk versus reward to short Lucid at this stage, given the circumstances of the market right now, it's still stupid to do. And with that, I do want to transition and talk on a little bit of technical analysis and ultimately give you my price prediction of what I see for the end of the week. So right now, you can see $47.27 as of Friday. Looking at the actual chart, some things to note: we are currently now in the lower percentile of the Bollinger Band. RSI neutral, stochastic still has that deviation, so still technically shows a bearish sentiment when it comes to that. Momentum, we are currently at 3. Anything above 0 is still positive and still shows that more buyers are physically getting in. So overall, the chart is fairly good, and especially given the circumstances of the fear in the market, we actually are doing fairly well. And that's saying a lot. So as far as a ultimate low, like I said, I do anticipate Monday and Tuesday being red, and then the remaining of the week having a nice little surge. So Monday and Tuesday, I do see a low of, like I said, around $41 to $42 as far as being a ultimate low. On the opposite end, I do see us closing at around about $55, and that's given a nice little surge. And that is obviously assuming as well COVID's fears do subside and don't escalate. And if they do escalate, then most likely will be low 40s where we'll close. But like I said, I do anticipate $55 by the end of the week. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments below, whether you agree, disagree, because there is a lot more comments now saying that we're going to around $20. In reality, like I said, I don't see that happening. We have so many different control methods within the economy to prevent a massive sell-off as what happened in 2020, especially by COVID, right? So I don't see that happening. A lot of people are assuming that, and whether they're just doing that to cause fear, maybe buy Lucid at a cheaper price, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that though in the comments below. If you haven't already, smash the thumbs up and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. Again, if you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below. Definitely helps my channel out significantly. With that said, appreciate you guys watching. Let's all make a lot of money on Lucid.